Hey, this is MIB Display from Volkswagen, and I'm going to try to remove those buttons and those knobs just to show you if it's easy or not. I'm going to use only one tool, a small pick pointy thing like this. You can use flat screwdriver if it's small enough. So maybe let's start with the knobs. We have two things. We have the actual knob over here and we have this piece of trim. And if we place this over here and pry it a little bit, I believe we can get it out. So let's try to do it. I can already see that it moved and it's out. Same on the other side. Out. Right now the knob, you can just pry it like so. Out and out, and now buttons. If you look from the side, you can see that there are gaps that you can put your prying tool into, where there's not a lot of space over here, but it should be enough to pry those buttons. Of course, you have to be a little bit gentle with them, so don't force it. You can do it like this, towards yourself. And there are 1, 2, 3 locks on this one. And I believe you can just do it with all of them. Like so. Next one will be here. The last one is a little bit tricky because there's not a lot of room for the prying tool, for the pick. But if you help yourself with the other hand, you can get it out. Same goes for the other side, and over here you can see how it looks underneath. So you have the LED to backlight the button. Each button is using its own LED, and you have those two touch areas. This detects when the button is pressed. Okay, so let me show you how to assemble it back. I'm not going to do the left side because it's pretty much the same as the right side. All you need to do is position the button in the right place and press it. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, and right now, if you are not sure which is which goes into which place, if it's going to be like this or like this. Okay, I believe the car is at the bottom, but let's try to put it in the wrong spot. You can see that it will not fit. It needs to be placed in the correct position. And now those trims, you can see that there's this positioning pin, let's call it positioning pin. And if you look closely over here, you can see, there's the spot, there's the deeper spot for the positioning pin. So take this, place it here, and just push it in place. And with the knob, the same thing. Place it and push it. And that's it. Okay, thanks.